are you doing?
Sitting. Rearrange the furniture so we now sit on the floor.
I think that's quite a healthy way to sit.
Yeah, I quite like it.
Yeah, sitting on the floor is good.
I'm trying to conserve as much energy as humanly possible.
Maybe not like that.
Might mount my laptop on here.
You could put on weight, put on a big belly, and then you've got a little shelf to put stuff on. Good morning guys, welcome to today's video. I'm at Jam HQ today, we're doing a bit of work, some photography stuff of all the products that we do. It is absolutely Baltic outside, and it is absolutely Baltic inside as well, because George likes to keep his flat freezing cold. I think he read some article somewhere that said it was good for you. It's
not so cold, it's perfect operating temperature.
Who says that?
21 degrees. Have you heard of a guy called Dave, what's his name? Brailsford. So they used to keep the Sky bus at like a certain temperature, it's like 21.3 degrees.
Really?
Ever so slightly cold, because that's your best like operating temperature for thinking and doing stuff.
And then they'd all have to wear like 50 layers of kit.
Yeah, whatever.
Before freezing to death.
Yeah, kinda. It's not that cold.
Max, is it cold?
It's not warm.
Go on, let's go outside and warm up. God. I thought one day of recovery would have been enough for the Red Bull time lapse, but my legs are absolutely smashed. We're gonna get some snacks, go up to the office, and then hopefully not leave for the rest of the day.
Triple chocolate, Smart Jack. The pantry ones for 99p, so I bought 5 of them. Bought myself a Naked Bar.
Naked Bar's good for you.
Well, it depends really. What is good for you? Is anything good for you, or is everything bad for you?
No,
Is life good for you?
Everyone's slowly dying, so you could say that anything's killing you. There's a positive outlook on life, I know. Yeah, it's really.
Oh mate, you look great.
I feel like I'm slowly dying. You know? Just gonna go towards the light.
Nice t-shirt.
Thank you. CK Maxx actually. Get
Was
a
it?
bargain. Yeah.
You're sponsored by TK Maxx.
Well, it's in the
product
name, isn't it?
placement.
Really. This is like what they get for people that suffer with SAD. Do you know about SAD?
Yeah, well, they shine a massive light in their face. It's probably not one of these.
No, I hope
Probably
it's not
a proper
one
like
of
a
these.
sunlight.
This would be terrible if you had to do this for an hour a day in the winter.
That would make you really depressed.
Yeah, I've done a good one here.
But yeah, that's probably the best one you've ever done.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to call Photo Ready.
Yeah.
It's not quite race ready.
Yeah, don't ride it.
Not race ready, it's photo.
Just won't move.
Yeah. Well, it'll go round, just not quite as quick as race ready, you know?
Anyone got any suggestions in the comments how you flatten a turbo mat?
Ah, come on. Go on, son. Well, we're going to get heat gun out, but it might melt
using
it.
the force, using the force.
This is why we get paid the big bucks, aka no bucks.
Francis, if it was easy, everyone would do it.
You want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful.
You told me if you keep on breathing, you're going to die.
My in-house mechanic has put my jockey wheels on the wrong way. I don't know, upside
I
down?
put the up on the down and the down on the up.
Down, yeah.
I think they do operate, they are slightly different shapes, so I've probably been causing you unnecessary friction in there.
Lost literally 2s of watts.
I think it's 50 watts. What's the idea?
We're going to dig up the park and get some mud.
Oh, hello.
Oh, you just got here.
Are you so late?
Part-timer.
So late.
Is that in France buying new bikes? I assume you bought a new bike.
Nah, I didn't buy it. I stole a new bike.
We go to the park, we're going to dig up some mud, and we're going to work out how to make some muddy water. Because
Why?
we need winter content of muddy chains. So let's make some. It's not raining, we can't wait, let's make some.
We can wait for the rain. I'll just do my rain dance.
How long have you got that down to? What's the window between a dance starting and the rain coming?
76 minutes.
Right, okay.
Oh, God.
Too long. I'm going to dig up the park,
What are you wearing?
I don't have a spade.
Ah, spades. So basically what we're trying to do is show the difference between chain wax and chain oil and how dirty one gets in comparison to the other.
Yeah.
In order to do that, we need to go and get some dirt from outside.
I mean, it's quite hard to get dirty.
I already know what the answer is. The wax is going to be a million times better.
I figured it out.
God, this is nice. Why don't we ever film stuff down here?
We do sometimes, don't we?
No. Never been here.
Right, well, we're gonna walk around. We're gonna find where's the best.
It's like Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Minus the dinosaurs and nothing like Jurassic Park. This whole area is like movie lighting. Look, you got, because all the buildings reflect stuff.
Yeah.
So you were just, you look great, mate. Now I look great.
Make sure you
Now
get a
Chris
photo
looks
of me.
great.
No, it's not looking at me.
Now this is the issue that we've got.
What?
We've got all these like people knocking around. We've got to make sure we get some dirt without them spotting
This
us.
is legit
Because
a
we dig-
man that he works
We
here.
can be digging up the dirt with a kitchen implement.
You know what's quite funny is that I can see what everyone's got in their balconies, including you, George.
Yeah,
We know
and so
who
there's a
to
couple of nice
rob.
bikes over here.
Oh man, easily amused. Don't move it.
One of those ones you chuck off your Mario Kart, isn't it?
Forest and dirt. It's really peaty. Stop making this one.
I'm free! You have saved me. Thank you. Whatever you want to call it.
This is it's basically new. That's going to be our oily guy. What's that?
This is Oily Gary.
So basically a waxed chain is nearly always faster than using oil. Is that true?
Way faster. Yeah, way faster.
There's websites dedicated to the testing of this. I'll try and find which one it.
It also retains less filth, which in the winter is quite useful because it means your drivetrain doesn't get clogged up.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and demonstrate that now.
Is that the drivetrain there?
Imagine.
George's bike sounds like most of the time. You just mute it, don't you?
I know when you could wend up easier. Hold still. No, maybe not.
Stay still.
Would it be easier to wend that up? You can move now.
Oh,
Would it be easier to wend that up while it's on there?
Did Rob Quirk finally make you that?
Yeah, maybe 6 of them.
Wow. You'd think putting wax on a chain would make it all sticky and nasty, and
Well, you can see by looking at my hands.
Yeah.
Look at my fingers.
it doesn't really go on the fingers though. And it is legitimately faster than chain oil.
Yep.
All chain oil, or like, what's this?
As far as I know, it's all chain oil. Like, there's not, as far as I know, that it's more efficient. Someone will go, "Oh no, he's talking bollocks." But if someone says that, fair enough. Like, but I've used Wend for the National 24s, for crit racing, for racing across
Probably did the
Kyrgyzstan.
20
I like the smell of it as well. Take out the efficiency factor, which is obviously incredibly important in racing.
Comes in pink, mate.
Comes in pink.
Well, I thought there'd be a difference, but
We didn't think it was going to be like that, did we?
nah.
It's terrible news.
Ugh.
I'm surprised.
I'm never using chain lube
I
again.
know, right? Yeah, but we need
Way
it.
faster.
We just need to find a way to show it.
Jesus, well, you got a dirty hand now.
And also, it smells so nice.
All that.
And I don't know. Someone's going to try and like correct me in the comments here, but environmentally friendliness. Oil's not depending on the oil. Probably.
And I think they say, when
vegan.
do make efforts to be as environmentally friendly as possible with their production,
Yeah.
because they do a lot of like surf wax, and surfers are super into the environment.
Just seen that, yeah?
Yeah.
Look.
This isn't fake.
This is not fake. Look,
This
look.
is not fake.
This is a wax chain that's done the same thing. Where?
No, do the clean hand on the thing, just to prove.
Look.
It's so obvious.
It'd be good now if you touched the wax chain and your hands got clean because of it. Try it. I really hope this works.
No, not quite.
God damn.
So yeah, the wind wax it's natural and biodegradable, derived from hydrocarbon molecules that occur naturally in the environment. So yeah, that's what I thought, but I couldn't remember those words. Degraded primarily through bacteria and fungi, unlike PFOAs. Does anyone know what PFOA is?
Plenty.
Fish.
Fish.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Amoebas that never biodegrade. Hydrocarbons disperse and emulsify into the environment. So yeah, it's better than oil lubes.
Nice.
Nice!
I'm sure there's some oils which are good for the environment.
I can tell you an interesting thing
PFOA
about
means, you know.
oil.
Can you? What's that?
Well, there you go. What are PFOA?
So Virgin have been developing a zero emission petrol. Basically.
Really?
Yeah, seriously. It's carbon neutral.
How?
Genuinely witchcraft.
Got a new hat.
You look like a swimmer.
Huh.
Do you go under a helmet? Is that the point?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. I was going to say, don't wear it as a normal hat. It looks awful.
Like 90s boy band kind of hat.
Do you think? I think he looks like he could be in like Home Alone or something as one of the robbers.
So like a
opposed to this.
1300s priest. So I'm going to go and condemn yourself or something or other.
Yeah, you do actually. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's good. Take it as a selfie.
You should go into a train station like that and leave a bag just in the middle of it.
George keeps his flat so cold. Chris has been wearing leg warmers all day. Right. What a ridiculous day.
So we're doing the calendar for which bike clubs we go and do rides with next year.
Yeah.
Or over the winter.
Yeah.
So if you want us to come and ride
If you're
with
a
your
club,
somewhere in the UK,
put a comment.
put a comment in and we'll come and do a jam on a roll
There you go.
in your
Jam
area.
on a roll in your area. If you put a comment down below, we'll come and see you with everyone from Jam. Like we did.
Like we did in Ludlow.
Like we did in Ludlow.
Ludlow.